Aerosapien is doing some cold plate assembly for the Indian Institute of Science. These cold plates are using 3D printer machine bed cooling purposes. We are maintaining flatness within 20 microns. Aerosapien always focusing on quality products. These cold plates are fully machined. We are maintaining the groove in the bottom plates. Finally, we are inspected by all the dimensions. This cold plate capacity is 5 to 8 bars pressure. Aerosapien is always ready to take all of the critical components for aerospace, medical and automobile applications.